Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very large Temu package haul thing to share with y'all. And look at me wearing my big Temu nug, specifically for this video. Any boobs, what are we here to discuss? Now, this is a very, very large package. But there's only 5 products in here. And here's the deal. First of all, I feel like I already own so much nail art stuffs. I don't need any more nail art stuffs. So what I decided to choose from the old Temus to review for y'all right now are, well, actually one of them is the nail art stuffs. But I'll let y'all know why in just a second. Mr. Brave Steve and I are about to embark upon a 3-room remodel in this house, okay? We're doing both bathrooms and the kitchen. The big bathroom is going to be, well, it's going to be a big old thing. And the kitchen is going to be a big old thing. Like, the project's going to be big old things. We're going to be doing a lot of this stuff ourselves. Now, I say that to say this. In the big bathroom and in the kitchen, we are going to be losing our really big closets, right? Like in the kitchen, our pantry's going to be under construction for a while. And in the big bathroom, our towel closet, our toiletry closet, you know, the big thing where you store your towels, that whole thing, that's going to be gone. We're going to be putting a big old bathtub in that area. So what I tried to pick up from the old Temus were a couple of products that would maybe sort of come in handy. Maybe I'm just over here picking at this. That would sort of maybe come in handy for while we are in that construction phase and we need to be able to, here, you'll want to see some little candies I have stored in here in my little drawer. We need to be able to, you know, we need a place to put our stuffs. So I grabbed a couple of things. One little thing actually is for the salon. And then the other one was a gift for Miss G Money because I freaking love her. And I'll be sending that off to her. Here's the one thing that I got for the salon. This is, ooh, God, look how freaking cute it is. It's even more cute in person. Y'all, it's just a little book. Y'all have seen me review these from Temu before. It's for nail decals, water decals, stencils. It's just a little, or stickers, whatever. But look at these freaking adorable little lemons. Let me maybe try to get y'all over here under the light. Look. Oh, I love this so much. Because I just got a massive hoard of What's Up Nails decals, water decals, and I have no place to put them. So I picked up another one of these because I need it. I think this is, does it say? No. I think this is the gift I'm sending to Miss G Money. Yes, it is. Okay, let me unpackage this and show y'all what it is. This is like a bird bath, bird feeder, I guess it could be. From the old Temus, it also comes, maybe, hopefully y'all can see in this lighting. It comes with a little chain. I think you're going to attach, well, it looks like you can attach the chain anywhere, you know, with the three little hooky doos. She can hang it up. If y'all sub to Miss G Money's channel, y'all already know that she has hummingbird feeders all along her front porch, you know, hanging from her front porch. And she can sit in her little salon with the window open. She can enjoy her little hummingbirds, but also out the back door, actually off the back side of her house, on the back side of her kitchen window, she has a little bird feeder and like little critters get up there. And I think she still has a shepherd's hook out in her backyard with birdseed in it and like squirrels get up in there, whatever. It's a whole nature vibe over at G Money's house out in the countryside. So I went ahead and got her this little doohickey. It's really, really beautiful. I hope she enjoys it. Oh, I didn't realize it's got like a big old rose, like a little floral thing on here. Love this. So G Money, this is headed your way because, you know, I love you, sis. And hopefully you can put this to good use. Feed lots of little animals. It's actually much larger than I thought it was, just judging by the photograph. It's bigger than my hand. I mean, I don't have huge hands, but it's a good size. It's a good size, fairly deep. yeah, I'll have this linked. I'll have all the stuff linked down in the description box for y'all. But G-Money, I love you. This is headed your way. All right, I lied. I'm not paying to ship that to you, sister friend. I'm going to be at your house in October. I'm just going to bring it, you know, when I come. So, two of the other things that I picked up that I chose for this haul are more like storage solutions. One of them is, well, actually, I guess both of them can sort of be used like wherever. This one is a 4-tier. Let me see if the picture, there we go. Like a 4-tier little rolly storage rack thing. And then the other one is a little 2-tier. And the reason I got this one, because we are going to be losing our big toiletry closet in the main bathroom. We do have a large vanity. We have a 2-sink. We have 2 sinks in our main bathroom, and the whole bottom half of that, or the whole underside of our sink, all the space below our sinks is just a huge cabinet area. So, oh God, here he comes again. Y'all, he has been so needy. Grandson, what are you doing? You gonna come film with Mimi? Okay. Any boobs. I have been looking at sort of this like 2-tiered, multi-tiered, I guess, storage rack to go under our sinks, because we're going to have to move a lot of that stuff. It's going to have to go under the sink. And right now there's already stuff under the sink. So I want to like do like a 2-tiered sort of a storage thing. So I am going to be putting this stuff together for y'all. Probably not on camera. I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like. But this can be used in the kitchen. This can be used in the bathroom. It says right here, Smart Golden Baby. 2 layers, multiple purpose. Why does it say Smart Golden Baby? Lord have mercies. I don't know. So if you pick this up, of course, you could use it in the kitchen. A little storage, a little spice rack for your, a little storage rack for your spices. I don't know, put it out in the garage. Throw your little bottled waters on there. But I plan to use this under my sink. And I'm pretty sure I got the black one. I plan to use this under my sink in the main bathroom. So I'll come back and show y'all that all put together. Sir, what are you doing? Sir, do you have business in here? Do you have business in here? I do not believe you do. So let's move the Smart Golden Baby over here, this storage rack. Okay, he's about to get it. Listen, Mimi's had it. Mimi's had it with you. She's had a long day. I'm just kidding. He can do whatever the hell he wants because I'm obsessed with my grandbaby. All right, let's go ahead and get this out the way for now. And then we'll go ahead and move this over here. So this is a 4-tiered little rolly storage rack thing. Maybe until we absolutely have to have this for a different purpose, you know, like for the kitchen. Because we're going to lose our big pantry with our dry goods and a few of our canned goods and that kind of a thing. And I thought, you know what, we can use this when we have to pull all that food out of the pantry. You know, pile up, stack up some dried goods, some pastas, some canned goods, that type of a deal. But until I absolutely need it for that purpose, I think I'm going to use it here in the salon. So we'll see. We'll see where the heck this absolutely ends up, you know, its final little resting place. But I think it's going to be like super versatile. I think you'd be able to use it anywhere in the house. Again, if you have a garage and you just need some storage. And it looks, I think it's one of those like slender, you know, slim type of a deal. So maybe if you have a little bit of a space, let's say in your laundry room between your washer and your dryer, and you need some more storage for your detergents, you know, your laundry things, that type of a deal, roll it back between those two. You know what I mean? So let me get this together, or put together, both of these put together. And at the end, I'll come back and I'll show you guys what these look like. Maybe I'll try to stage a few things inside of them so you can see, you know, how much weight they hold, that type of a deal. But I have one last item to show y'all from this haul. I'm so excited. So if you're brand new here and you don't know who this is my grandson, Brad. I'm obsessed with him. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you going? You gonna go? Go. Bye. See ya. Out. Brad. Okay. Yeah, he listens like a cat. Annie boobs. The very last thing that I have to share with y'all. This is another item that I plan to use to decorate the guest bathroom, because again, the guest bathroom is also going to be remodeled. This will be going on the wall in the guest bathroom. I hope I love it as much in person as I did when I saw it on the Temu app. And I think this thing was like $2 and change. It was like under $3. All right, let me see if I can get this open and unfurled, and then we can just kiki and just giggle at it. Okay, I hope this works. This is an unframed print of an Italian Greyhound sitting on the turlet reading a newspaper. Look at this. I'm definitely getting this framed. It will be hanging up in the guest bathroom. It is so flippin' cute. I'm gonna try to find some other Italian Greyhound prints. I don't want to say that I want all of them sitting on the turlet, but I do want some more like colorful prints and just like little odd, I don't know, little kitschy, odd little things. This does appear to be a fully black and white print. It appears to be on, I don't want to say canvas. It's more like, what is this? I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I don't care. I love it so much. It's going to be absolutely perfect in my guest bathroom. Everyone who comes over and goes and has a little wee in the guest turlet, of course they're going to know, oh yeah, Italian Greyhounds live here. This house is owned by Iggy's. Look. It's like my little Vivi. Oh, I love it. Nylon. Is that the word I'm looking for? I don't care if it says that it's printed on canvas. It ain't. But either way, you know, it's going to frame the same. It's going to be fabulous. And I'm obsessed with it. And I love it so much. And again, it was like $2 and change. So if you have an Italian Greyhound in your life and and they also have, they have different sizes too. I just specifically chose 11.8 by 16.5 because I didn't want a tiny little thing. Like I want this to be the sort of like the focal point of the wall in my guest bathroom. And then I'll just sort of design around this. Oh, it's just going to be so freaking cute. I can't wait. So here's me going, oh, the handle. Why didn't the handle fit? Okay, you absolute doodle head. The handle goes on this side. You idiot. Ugh. All right, so here we are. All 4 little tiers have been put together. I don't want to say it's flimsy or cheap. It is very lightweight. I want to say maybe, I don't know, 2 or 3 pounds, 2 pounds maybe. And you can see, I mean, this is like, it's plastic, but this would be perfect for someone who has minimal space in their, I don't know, their mani room, their nail room, just any room in the house, minimal space. And you just need to sort of store those sort of lightweight type of items. It also comes with 4 of these little hooks, 4 little hooky hooks. So I could just go bloop, bloop, and bloop. My pop sticks, my swatch rings, whatever the heck you want to call them. This would be perfect for, say, storing your cotton balls or your cuticle oils or your hand lotions or your nail art brushes. Like I wouldn't be putting like my really heavy, you know, I wouldn't be storing nail stamping plates on this thing because stamping plates are heavy, but this is perfect. And it is very slender. It's very slender. You can slide it. If you have that space between your washer and your dryer and the laundry room, I wouldn't be storing major heavy stuff on the top. But if it's just going to sit in one place, you know, and you need to store something a little bit heavier, obviously I would put the weightier items on the bottom. This is great. This is perfect. It's going to be great for our purpose, right? Because we just need to sort of have some place to store things while we can't access them from the pantry closet. That's going to be great. And for the price, you can't beat it. So this one is done. It has been assembled. Pay no attention to my spicy buffalo nuggies I have going on over here. This is actually much more sturdy. It's made of a thicker material. I'm pushing up from the bottom in the center here. It's not moving that much, but if I come over here to the one that I just did and I'm putting the same amount of pressure, this one is much thinner. And y'all, look, it really does. It really does slide out. And because this is like a sturdier plastic than this little guy over here, you know, you can toss your, I don't know what the hell I'm tossing in here. Top coat, base coat, a dehydrator, and a primer, and my little empty nail decal holder. But it's still, it's not dragging. It's got a little bit of weight in it now. It's not dragging. But it also comes with 4 little hooky hooks. You can either put them here on the side, put them here in the front. It also comes with this container that has holes in it. So if you need to put your, like a wet shower poof in here or something, it does have drainage holes. And again, with the shower poofs, if you want to stick these on here, hang up your extra shower poofs. If you want to put your toothbrushes in here, either extra toothbrushes. I'm really impressed with this. I'm impressed with this. It is, again, more sturdy, a more sturdy material, or it's thicker, I guess, than this one over here. Do they both serve a purpose? Absolutely. I would keep this one, again, for your lighter items. Maybe a little, if you roll up little wash rags for your guest bathroom or something, you can store those here. Some little extra soaps, what have yous. You could put a little bit more weight here in this top one. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I love them both for different reasons. And for the price, you can't beat it. Also, nuggies. And so this is where I leave you today, dear friends, because honestly I'm hungry and I just want to finish my nuggies. But I will have links to all 5 of these products down below, and I'll also try to remember to put the link to my big nug down there as well. Make sure you shop those links. And also, if you are a brand new Temu customer and you download the app, you can save 30% off of literally everything that you buy. Here's my code right down here. I'll have that down at the bottom of the screen as well. Thank you guys for watching. I am really impressed, and I honestly, Mr. Brave Steve and I cannot wait to get started. Sorry, my spicy nuggies are getting to me. We can't wait to get started on our big remodel. Like we're ready to start sledgehammering walls, you guys. And when that time comes, I feel certain that I have little extra storage areas for the things that I need in my bathroom and in my kitchen. So if you stuck around this long, cookies, kudos, and trophies to y'all. The keyword is nuggies. The keyword is nuggies. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.